Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a caramel drumstick blizzard in front of me, and this is brand spanking new, and it just made its debut at Dairy Queen. So I'm gonna give it a try because I think it tastes like a Crunch bar, but I'm not certain. But so here we go. This is very good. I can taste the nuts in there and the caramel in it. So because if you're a Blizzard fan, I recommend this to you and other Blizzards. So if you like my video, be sure to like and subscribe, and I'll make more videos in the future. So take care, everyone.